Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm back with another practice problem, and in today we have a task of the day. It is very simple task and very easy task. That is, we have to write a Python program to count the number of vowels in a sentence given by the user. Like in this problem, a user will give you a sentence, will enter a sentence, and the program should count the number of vowels, and like how many vowels are present in that sentence, no matter how long is that sentence, but it will count if the sentence contains any kind of vowels, right? So let's just dive into it. So first I'm gonna take this sentence. So I have taken the input from the user, and now I have to check the sentence contains any kind of vowels. So the first I have to initialize the count. Like I've initialized this count variable, and now what I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna just I'm just gonna initialize the for loop for I in sentence. Like I will just run the loop in that sentence, and this I will iterate each and every character in that sentence. So what is gonna count if I in A-E-I-O-U, like this. If I is in A-E-I-O-U, then it will gonna count this one. And here what I'm gonna do this, I'm just transforming the given string into the lowercase. Like all the characters will be in lowercase so that it will just check it correctly, right? So count will be 1, and in the end I'm gonna print this total vowels in sentence are count, like this. So, and I'm enter the sentence that I am a programmer. So here we go. When I run this thing, total vowels in a sentence are 6 right there. Here we go. In this sentence, we have 11 vowels in this sentence. So you can see that this is a very basic program and a very simple program. And I hope you understand this. If you understand this, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.